Hey everyone, Nabi is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your local host or on your own computer. So recently we published an article about what is localhost and how does it apply to WordPress. Basically, a localhost is a machine that you are using for hosting your own website. And when this website is located on your computer, we call it a local machine or hosted in a local host. So basically, we explained almost everything in this article, so you can read it and see what is going on. But we are going to install a software to be able to host a WordPress website on our own computer in order to do some test or maybe even create the whole website and then move it to a live server, or we call it production. Okay, so there are a few software that we can use. For example, one of the coolest one is DevKinsta. So this is the website. I will attach the link into the description so you can come to this page and download DevKinsta and start using it. But in this video, we are going to use the local by Flywheel because I personally use this software and it's a really cool one. And you can use it for hosting your WordPress website, and it comes with a lot of cool features out of the box. There are other options that you can use, for example, MAMP and XAMPP and also WAMP server. All of them are really good. You can use them by your choice. But in today's video, as mentioned before, we are going to use local by Flywheel. Let me click on download. So let's see which platform you are going to use. I'm going to use Mac, Apple Silicon, but as you can see, there is Windows, Linux, and also Mac Intel. So basically, I'm going to just say my name here and an agency. So let's see, I'm going to pass it an email. All right, so now your download should start automatically. If doesn't, click here. So I already can see that the download has been started. So we are going to wait a little bit and then start the installation. All right, now the only thing that I need to do is just drag and drop this into my applications. And that's it. So now let's see. I'm going to search for local, but apparently it didn't install completely. Let's see. I'm going to just open it, and here we go. So I'm going to agree with the term of service and now create a free account. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account and we will be right back. All right, in this step, after connecting my Google account, in this step, it says that, is it okay to enable error reports? For now, I would say no thanks. Is it okay to enable usage reporting? I will say no thanks for now, but you can choose if you want to contribute. Now here the fun part starts. So I can go and create a new site from here, but I also can explore other options here. But for now, let's start a new website, or let's just create a new website. So I will hit the button, and in this part, I can say create a new site. So sign up a new WordPress or headless WordPress site. I can just say continue. So what's your site's name? I would say YouTube test. So there is an advanced option here. I can just toggle it out and see. So local site domain and local site path. I can change the path and the domain here, but I will keep it as it is. So I'm just press continue. After that, here it says preferred or custom. So I can customize everything here. I can customize PHP version, the web server, or the database. For now, I will stick to the preferred one. So PHP version is 8 8.2. The web server is Nginx, and the MySQL version is 8.0.35. So now hit continue, and I would just say WordPress username Nabi, WordPress password. I'm just going to give it a really simple password, 12345 6. So the WordPress email, I can just change it here. And there is also other options, advanced option here. The language, we will stick to the English. And also, is this a WordPress multi-site? No. So add site. All right, I would put my password and let's wait. Okay, now it says that everything should be done. I'm going to open the website from here and I have to allow. All right, it does not work. I assume there is some problem with my local setup. So I already have valid also, so I'm going to make it stop because these two have some sort of conflict when both of them are active at the same time. All right, I'm going to come back here, stop all the websites, and start the site again. Now, yeah, now it's working perfectly fine because there is nothing to conflict with that. So let's come back here, and if I choose WP admin, I can come here. So what was the WP admin username and password? And did we just choose maybe and 1.6? So let's see. Yep, the username and password that we selected at the beginning. All right, now let's see other options. So I have here the site shell, and if I allow this, I would have access to all of my, let me just make this a little bit bigger. So if I go ls-la, I can see all the WordPress files here. Now let's go here and I can have access to database, open admin neo. All right, very cool stuff, guys. Here I also have access to the current website WordPress database. So I can see basically everything, and I can see the structure of the tables and also the data. Let's see if WP options selects the data. And as you can see, the admin email here, for example, and all of the options that we already have on our WordPress website. So basically that was it. Now you can start and customize this website, install plugins, install themes, start the whole development and design. And after you completed everything, then you can just migrate this website to a new server or to the production server. For that step, I would try to create another video. All right, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and also please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.